So welcome back to Silicon Valley. One of the topics that we're talking about here today is about enterprise wireless. And with me today, I have Raghu Ram from Zebra Technologies. Raghu is heading up their product and portfolio management. And so if we dive into your session, what were the key topics that you covered today?
Yeah, one of the things we talk about when we talk about in Zebra Technologies is the edge of the enterprise, right? That's where outcomes happen. That's where the customer knows what a customer service is when a retail associate comes to help you, right? Or when a nurse helps a patient. So we were trying to drive the fact that Zebra drives outcomes at the front line of the enterprise, and we do it across multiple verticals: retail, transportation, logistics, manufacturing, healthcare, and government and public safety. And we have a broad portfolio of products that spans multiple connectivity technologies, multiple form factors, multiple use cases, if you will.
So are you bringing together both the data and the connectivity, or how do the two of them link together?
So we bring the outcomes for the application. The application can be anything from the user experience. The connectivity is one aspect of it. Then the data around the next best decision that the customer that the associate wants to make. We bring that together, and that drives the best outcome at the edge.
So how has that business changed over the last few years?
As customers, as consumers demand near real-time visibility to their experiences, right? They're looking for better visibility, into where the package is, right? Where the good is. Where the associate wants to help the customer and ensure the sale is closed. In order to do that, people are looking for now near real-time visibility. One of the ways you do it is you provide what we call as 3 strategic pillars: visibility, that is using barcodes, using Bluetooth scanners, sensors, RFID tags. You know where every asset is. Now you want to provide the next best decision that you can make using our endpoints for the connected frontline worker. We provide those endpoints, software, and analytics. Then we enable this strategic pillar with what we call as intelligent automation, where they got analytics tools, other forms of automation that unleashes more capacity and provides more capability and empowers them to deliver that outcome.
And so how do we connect between Ericsson and Zebra Technologies and what we do and what you're trying to accomplish?
So we have a partner. We are close partners. We work closely with in customer deals. Our devices work well on your equipment. We ensure it interoperates well. We also build capabilities deep into the technology stack, that whether it is onboarding users, provisioning set of users, providing analytics, right? We're using our tools called Wireless Insights, so customers can experience the best quality have the visibility to the best quality on your networks, on our devices, and it's exposed through a management system that you guys support in Ericsson.
And then if we take all of this and you pull out a little bit on your crystal ball, what are the type of innovations that we have ahead of us that make you excited?
As somebody driving the front line of the enterprise, it's the amount of innovation that's coming. I don't even know if you can predict it, right? Some of the things that we see is, if you look at the different kind of endpoints we have, we think those different endpoints will look very different in the next 5 to 10 years. I mean, some of them will remain, but we'll add more, more wearable technologies in the front line, right? More, communication devices in the front line that's empowered with these technologies, more AI-enabled devices at the edge, right? And more new use cases, new empowered applications. All of these, when you combine to this, the future is bright, and it's a great place for us to be. And closely with Ericsson, we go win the future.
I think what I take away from this conversation is, when you talk about the digital transformation of enterprises, it's not a job that's done. I think we're at perhaps in the first inning, when the first period, or whatever we call it in the sports analogies, and that we have a lot of interesting opportunities ahead of us. So thank you very much for your time. I really appreciated it.
Thank you.
Thank you.